Hey, bro. Discord just let me know that the Pokemon machines are glitching. So let's go see if it's really glitching. Oh, you cleared them out?
No, it's everything's available.
Oh.
All the machines, like,
I know, that's why I'm here.
Yeah.
I just want to get one for my son. He is killing me, man.
No, we'll leave him something.
I can't find anything anywhere.
No, the machines are glitching right now.
Oh.
Ah, man. Okay. Definitely.
I'm gonna get the big stuff first.
Better check out. We just fucking cooked on this machine glitch. Oh yeah. Let's take a look at what we got. Sheesh. Shout out to the Discord.
I'm giving away another insane deal for free. Tap the link in my bio to claim.